So we've done a slope field before that was all in terms of x or all in terms of y. This one's a little bit harder because it's in terms of x and y are in the same spot. So what I got to do is I have to look at the signs of the slopes for this one. If I'm in quadrant 1, you have a positive x and a positive y. If I'm in quadrant 2, I have a negative x and a positive y. If I'm in quadrant 3, negative x, negative y. And in quadrant 4, positive x and negative y. So here, a positive over a positive should be positive slopes. These are all positives. A negative over a positive should be all negative slopes. They maybe, yeah. But here, a negative over a negative, all of these should be positive. These are not, so it cannot be A. In problem 2, if x is squared and y is squared, every single slope should be positive. Not. So in this one, because it's odd and odd, it should have, like here, this will still be a negative and this will still be a negative, so all of these should be positive, and they're not. Here, x is positive and y is negative. I'm sorry, x is squared, so it's always positive. So in quadrant 1, positive, positive is good. Here, x is still positive and y is positive because a negative squared is a positive, and here it's a positive. So all of these should be positive slopes, and they are not. So it has to be E. So here, E, the bottom is positive. So the slopes here should all be positive. Here, the slopes, a negative over a positive should be a negative. Here, x is still negative, but y is positive, so it's okay to have negative slopes. And then here, x is positive and y is negative, so these should all be positive slopes, and they are. So it is E.